Hello and welcome. If you go to your favorite search engine and you type in AI Studio or Google AI Studio, you will typically see near the top of the search results Google AI Studio. And as of the recording of this video, you can use Google AI Studio to test Google's most recent update to its video creation application. And you can use it free of charge inside of your Google AI Studio account. Now, you will need to have your Google account ready. As you can see, we are logged into our Google account. If you are logged into your Google account, you can go into Google AI Studio. You may have to go through a sign-up process. Also, depending on where you live in the world, this feature may not necessarily be ready. However, we are going to click on Google AI Studio because we have already gone through the process of setting up our account, and what we're going to be doing today in Google AI Studio is going to be free of charge to anyone. One that has the studio. We're going to click on Studio. You're going to see inside of Google AI Studio that the default page is to get started with Gemini. However, we are not going to use Gemini Google AI Studio. We are going to use VideoGen, which is the video generation platform. You're going to see this element as of the recording of this video. And what you can do is you can set up the video however you want. You can attempt to create more than one result. In this case, we're going to create two. The only model that's going to be available as the recording of this video is going to be VO2. You can choose the video duration. In this case, the default setting is the longest duration of 8 seconds. Now, currently, the default frame rate cannot be changed, nor can the resolution be changed. If there's something that you don't want in your video, you can write in your negative prompt. What you can then do is you can write in the prompt that you want Google VO to create. Once you have your prompt, you can then click Run, and then Google VO will then start to process your request. Now, this is not an instantaneous process. It does take time for the AI Studio to generate your videos. You can wait for the process, and what we're going to do is we're going to stop the video here. We're going to allow the process to complete, and then we will come back when the process is complete. And the process is complete. You can play the video before you download it. You can decide whether the video is to your liking. And if you say your response is going to be good, you can then click Confirm. You can then download the video, or you can save the video by exporting it to your Google Drive. In this case, we created 2 videos, so we can look at the second video and we can decide whether we like the response. We can confirm. We can either download or export the video to Google Drive. And so basically what we have done is we have now tested the Google AI Studio. It is reported that in the future, Google VO will be added to Google Gemini if you are a user. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and comment below.